Here at Cemex Dovells, historically, surveying was started off with two people going around with originally theodolites and things like that, whereas then it moved to GPS points, but it still revolved the person or persons walking all over the site to get the survey data. And it was, you know, the man in a small machine out on site in amongst the quarry vehicles. So you either did it at a time when the vehicles weren't running, or you did it at a time when there was when they did interact. And that brings a whole bunch of risks with it. So we have an in-house person with our own drone who does the drone surveys. We then upload them to the cloud, where there's a whole bunch of sort of computer technology that goes in to crunch the numbers and turn it into a survey results that we can interact with on the computer. The resolution is so much greater. We can get down to such definition now that can then be interpreted by powerful computers. So we're actually measuring stuff down to the sort of centimetres. There's obviously stockpiles. I mean, there's also measuring of the road widths, bund heights, angle of roads, safety berms, face heights, all those sort of measurements that were difficult to get en masse across the whole site now can be done in one survey and at our fingertips a few days later. We can then actually put on annotations or markers, major services, high voltage, water pipes, gas pipes. They can all be mapped into that same survey. It's a lot quicker for starters. We get the results back way quicker than we used to, but I think one of the main factors is the safety. We haven't got that interaction with a surveyor wandering around the site on foot. The operator of the drone now goes into a place of safety and sets the drone off, and that person stays in that position, flying the drone, taking all the data, all safe.